Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a multilingual site with Weglot in Squarespace. This is an incredibly useful feature if you're looking to reach a global audience and make your website accessible to visitors who speak different languages. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has access to the website you want to make multilingual. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your Squarespace dashboard where you can see all your websites. Take a moment to locate the specific website where you want to add multilingual capabilities and simply click on it. This will open up that particular site's management area. After selecting your website, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the gear icon. This icon represents your site settings and is where all the important configuration options live. Click on this gear icon to open up the settings menu, and from there, locate and click on Site Languages. This section is specifically designed for managing how your site handles different languages. Now, within the Site Languages section, you'll see an option labeled Multilingual. Under this, you'll notice Weglot listed as one of the available translation services. Go ahead and click Connect next to Weglot. This will prompt you to log into your Weglot account, so make sure you have your Weglot login details ready. Weglot is a powerful translation tool that will automatically translate your content into the languages you choose. After you've successfully logged into your Weglot account, close the Settings panel. Now it's time to make the language switcher visible to your visitors. Click on Edit to enter your website's editing mode. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the header section of your site and click on Edit Site Header. This is where you can customize what appears at the top of your pages. Now click on Add Elements to see all the available components you can add to your header. From the list of elements, locate and click on Language Switch. This adds a language selector to your header, allowing visitors to easily switch between the different languages you've set up through Weglot. After adding the language switch element, make sure to click Save to apply all your changes. And that's it. You've successfully set up a multilingual site using Weglot in Squarespace, making your content accessible to a much wider international audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.